Good morning, it's Wednesday. This is Guru's Tech Bytes, episode 82. We got keyboards learning karate, Google Office drama, a map that apparently ate a man's whole calendar, and a LaTeX drawing tool trying to make diagrams less like assembling furniture in the dark. First up, FUTO Swipe has a new swipe typing model, which means your phone keyboard may finally understand that when you draw a little spaghetti noodle across the glass, you meant meeting, not meatball. It is open source, privacy-minded, and honestly, I like anything that makes typing on a phone feel less like negotiating with a tiny glass raccoon. Second, a developer says Google fired him for creating a Google Workspace command line tool. Now, I don't know the HR details, but as a concept, getting in trouble for making Google easier to automate is like being yelled at by a toaster for inventing breakfast. Somewhere a spreadsheet is blinking sadly, because the CLI was probably the first thing that ever treated it with respect. Third, Jerry's map is making the rounds, and it is exactly what it sounds like. A huge hand-drawn fantasy of roads, islands, and obsessive little details built over years. It is not AI-generated, not optimized for engagement, just one human brain turning patience into geography. Hey! Okay, that's something. Sometimes the best interface is still a pen refusing to quit. And finally, TeX Editor is a whiz editor for making LaTeX figures without memorizing every cursed incantation. If you have ever tried to place an arrow in a paper and accidentally summoned a geometry goblin, this is for you. It gives the academic diagram crowd a visual editor, while keeping the clean TeXy output underneath, which is the kind of compromise even a cranky professor might allow after coffee. That's your daily bite. FUTO Swipe shows small AI can still live on device. The Google CLI story is a reminder that developer tools and corporate policies sometimes wrestle in the parking lot. Jerry's map proves craft still matters, and TeXy Editor makes technical publishing less painful. Have a great day. Until next time.